Hello lovely people, how are you guys doing? What's up? In today's video, my friends, I'm gonna try out some more 5-minute crafts Halloween hacks. Cause why not? There is literally no one here to tell me, don't do it, Danny, this is a very bad idea. You know what happened last time? Oh, don't listen to her, what can possibly go wrong? Well, if you insist. Nice try though. So for this first hack, I'll need my head, some foil. Check. Don't say I didn't come here prepared. I hope 50 meters are enough. And I hope my head doesn't look like this chicken. Maleficent? Magnificent, Maleficent. Hold on, this doesn't sound right.
Maleficent.
Oh my god. Oh, this time I thought that the movie was called Magnificent. What is wrong with me? Everything. Shh, don't talk. Okay.
Oh dear.
Oh, I also forgot to mention that I'll need some hair wraps. Yes, I went in the store to get some hair wraps and this is what I found. It would have been very uncomfortable for both of us if I just showed you this without any context. This is what being single all winter looks like. You guys want to see something? Oh no, my armpit hair fell off. My armpit hairs are falling off. Ah, perfect. I don't know, you guys, they came without any instructions. That's kind of cool. It really contours my jawline. My lashes are really freaking out right now. Uh-oh. I'm gonna use some tape right here. Just for some extra... I forgot the word. Hey, that's a cute hairstyle. Yes. It's just so satisfying to squeeze my buns. Like, look at that. Oh no, I ripped it. I need to make sure that there is no hair left outside, because if there is, when I add this tape on top... No, I'm sorry, this is my... If this tape sticks on my hair, that's game over for it. I didn't wash it today just to rip it off, you know? I'm not giving it up without a fight. That's magnificent. If this doesn't make my Wi-Fi connection stronger, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Oh my god, it works. I'm just kidding, don't try this. Oh my god, I can feel my head heating up, and it's not because I'm overthinking something. That's weird. When I was buying this tape, my boyfriend was like, please don't break the house. And I was like, nah, don't worry about the house. I'm buying this for my head. He didn't ask any further questions. Hey guys, how does it look from behind? It's good? I look like low-budget Catwoman. Ah, that's nice. Woo. Oh no, this is... Nah. Stay. Whee! Ah! I need a third hand. Stay.
I like you begging.
Stay, don't move.
Do it again.
Whee! That's very interesting. It wasn't supposed to be pointing front, but that's okay. I can use it to protect my cheesecake. Give it back. I said give it back. Nice. I just realized that I'll need to make another horn that looks similar to this one. That's gonna be interesting. Oh no, I missed a spot here. How dare I? I'm not used to having horns. Oh, perfect. You guys, look at my horns. I hope no one rings my bell. How do I look from behind? It's good? Hey, that's kind of nice, you guys. I'm loving this. I can feel my head sweating. I don't know if I like this. It's winter for my body and summer for my head. My feet are freezing. I'm literally wearing 2 pairs of socks. But my head is on fire. Wow, slow down. I think we ran out of gas. I use my buns for base for my horns. They didn't disappoint. I feel like I have 2 very weird ponytails. Hold on, let me show you. You see it now? Yeah? I mean, if they were a little more down, look. Hey, I kind of like this scrunchies. You ever wonder why your favorite scrunchies are out of stock? That's because I buy them. Oh my god, I love this. Yeah! Oh, that's heavy. I shouldn't be doing that. This is a very magnificent Maleficent, okay? Maleficent, but make it magnificent. I know that this doesn't look like magnificent, but that's because I forgot the most important detail. There we go. There we go. Now that's the Maleficent you came for. See guys, if someone puts horns on you, don't be sad. Don't cry. No. Use your new horns to hang your scrunchies. Thank me later. How does it look from behind?
It's so ugly.
I'm only going to see this when I'm editing these videos. Okay, so this hack obviously was a great success. Let's move on to the next one, shall we? Oh yes, we shall. So this next hack is kinda dangerous. It's kinda dangerous. I'll need to use some school glue, and then here's the dangerous part, scissors. I'll need to very carefully cut that school glue. What? Once we cut the school glue, we're gonna use some liquid lipstick, eyeliner, I don't know what is that, probably fake blood. I kinda wanna get rid of the scrunchies. Did I just flex on you with my scrunchie collection? Wow. That's a weird flex, Danny. Okay, so.
"75 years later."
This took approximately an eternity to dry out. Oh no, that's game over for my upper lip hairs. My mustache. I was growing it for so long. Alright, it's time. But should I really use scissors? I don't want to do that. I'm already doing it though. No, that's way too dangerous. It's dangerous, so dangerous. I want to do it again. So I have this tool over here, it's for rhinestones, but I'm gonna use it today to just, you know, it's a lot safer than the scissors. Something like this. Oh no. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. I think I might overline my lips, just a little. Nobody's gonna know. My lips are kind of falling apart here. I don't know if you guys can see. The glue is unsticking. Come on, glue. You have one job. This look is perfect for a first date. With someone that you don't like. They won't like you back, I promise. If you show up like this, the feelings will be mutual. I don't know what is that liquid thing that she put. I might use some fake blood. The glue is unsticking from my skin and it's driving me crazy, you guys. I think that it wasn't a good idea to apply the glue on top of my foundation. It might work better if you have nothing on your face. I had 53 layers of foundation and another 15 of concealer. So, it's kinda understandable why it doesn't work. Hold on, blood, where you going? Oh, it's peeling off. Oh, that's kinda nice. Oh my god. Someone make me stop? Oh, that kinda hurts. Anyways, I'm just gonna leave it like that.
2 seconds later.
This is 100% my fault that it didn't work. Maleficent doesn't look magnificent anymore. My head is frying in this... My head is frying in this thing. I can't think anymore. Alright, let's see what this next hack is about. I'm gonna try to make myself look old. And this is how I'm gonna do it. Don't worry, we're not done with the school glue. We're gonna keep on using it. This time, we're gonna use it all over the face. Okay, I'm gonna use some glue. I'm gonna powder it. Alright. Nothing is happening. I'm gonna set it with some powder. I got glue all over my brush. I hate school glue, especially when it's on my face. Okay, let's see if it will work without any foundation on. Nothing is happening. Come on, 5-minute crafts. Come on, this was supposed to work. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna try with a thicker layer. I'm gonna get wrinkles just by trying this hack. Oh, don't worry, nothing is happening yet. It feels nice and cooling. Gluey fresh. Come on, glue. Come on. Dry. try. Oh, that's my phone telling me to go to sleep. Don't you see I'm a little busy right now? If this doesn't work, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Probably go to bed. Come on, glue. Come on. Please work. Please, please, please. I'm gonna set the glue on my forehead with some powder. Nothing is really happening. Like, what is this? I wanna peel it off. Oh. Oh my god. This feels so good and so bad at the same time. Like, it's kinda... it kinda hurts, but it's just so oddly satisfying. Okay, this was a fail. I should admit it and just move on. Ow! Maybe they're using a different brand of glue and theirs works better. Okay, let's take this off and see what's going on underneath. This is where my buns were. Ah, that's adorable. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Oh, this was a fail. Only my Maleficent hat worked. I'm gonna put it somewhere to remember this video. There you go. Perfect. Well, that was a sticky situation. I'm gonna go wash my face and go to bed because that's what my phone tells me to do. Go check out that other video where I tried out some 5-minute craft talent hacks. That video was so much more messy than this one. Or if you've seen it already, you can go ahead and check out this video right here. I don't know what YouTube suggests you to see, but it must be good. You can find me on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Bye!